Hey guys, Namaskar. So today is Independence Day and this is our 73rd Independence Day. So I would like to wish all of you guys happy Independence Day, and I want you to tell me how you're going to celebrate this Independence Day with your family, with your friends, etc. and let me know in the comment section. And also I would like to say that let's take an oath to do something for our country. Let's keep our country clean. These are the basic things that we could do. Keep our country clean, and we can also help our farmers, because these people are just committing suicide because they don't have enough money. There's no water. Let's not waste water. Also, let's save water. Let's help the farmers. Let's also help our soldiers, their family. If you can do little bit, even if you just see the soldier somewhere, just show respect, say hi, say namaste, and then wish them all the luck. So because they're doing so much for our country. And also just enjoy your Independence Day. India is such a beautiful country. I love my country. I'm sure you all do too. So let's be patriotic, and Jai Hind, and I will see you guys again. Bye.